The Epson SureColor T5170 36-inch wireless printer is a precision-engineered large-format solution designed to bring commercial-grade blueprinting and technical plotting into the modern, compact workspace. At its core is a PrecisionCore micro TFP printhead, featuring nozzle verification technology that automatically detects and adjusts nozzle condition to ensure consistent, streak-free output without manual intervention. This 2026-ready workstation delivers breakthrough speeds, producing an accurate A1/D size plot in as little as 31 seconds. By utilizing next-generation UltraChrome XD2 archival pigment inks, the T5170 produces vibrant, smudge-resistant, and water-resistant prints with a maximum resolution of 2400 by 1200 dpi, essential for the crisp lines required in CAD, GIS, and architectural renderings. Functionality is centered around a large, intuitive 4.3-inch color touchscreen that simplifies complex print tasks and provides real-time ink level monitoring. The printer's versatile media handling is a standout feature, accommodating 36-inch wide rolls while simultaneously supporting an auto sheet feeder for smaller 11x 17-inch documents, effectively functioning as two printers in one. Connectivity is robust and mobile-first, offering integrated Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Direct for router-free printing from smartphones and tablets, alongside Gigabit Ethernet and super-speed USB 3.0 for high-volume wired environments. Housed in a sleek, minimal white chassis with an included floor stand and paper basket, the SureColor T5170 is a sophisticated, reliable tool for professionals who need elite wide-format performance without the traditional bulk of industrial plotters.